Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss the SPSC Sindh Public Service Commission Botany paper which was held in 2006 for recruitment of the post of lecturers in college side. This paper comprises 50 MCQs and we will discuss each one by one. So let us discuss. The first question was asked that algae which inhibits the snow are termed as cryophytes. Cryophytes are the algae which are found in snowy habitats. Number 2. Flagellated cells are absent in Cyanophyceae. Cyanophyceae are blue-green algae does not contain any flagellated cell. Number 3. Site for nitrogen fixation in blue-green algae or Cyanophyceae is known as heterocyst. Number 4. Conjugation, which is a type of reproduction in algae, is found in. There was an uncertainty in this question and the two options are correct, Chlamydomonas as well as Spirogyra. In both of these organisms, conjugation takes place. Thermal algae belongs to class Cyanophyceae. Cyanophyceae are blue-green algae are able to survive in hot springs and they can tolerate the temperature up to 85 degrees Celsius. Number 6. Irregular colonies are called dendroid. What are the irregular colonies? They are type of different algal members which are residing in same habitat. Plants without vascular tissue and having naked reproductive structures are known as algae. Algae in which reproductive structures are not protected by any covering or jackets. So that's why algae is not included in kingdom Plantae. Algae which is frequently used as a food is known as ulva. Number 9. Dominant plant body in bryophytes is haploid. A complete set of chromosomes inherited as a unit from parent is. Here this question is incomplete and we can say it is incorrect. So the correct question is like this. This is the correct question. A complete set of chromosomes inherited as a unit from one parent is known as genome. Genome is the complete set of chromosomes which is inherited from single parent. Stomata are largely present on leaf. Number 12. Cambium is not found in monocots, hence they do not have secondary growth. Star-shaped sclereids are known as astrosclereids. The secondary thickening of the wall of the sclerenchyma is due to lignin deposition. Peel-off method is used for the study of all type of fossils. No. It is a method for studying the few fossils but not all. The second one, same type of question. Cast and mold have organic structures. No, false. Cast and mold, they are the just prints or remains, we can say. These are markings which are left on the rocks. They are just markings of the fossils on the rocks. So they do not contain any organic structure. Two elements needed for the production of chlorophyll are magnesium and iron. An example of saprophyte, bread mold. Bread mold is a saprophyte, while other two options like lichen is a mutualism or mutualistic, and the third is athlete's foot fungus, which is a parasite. Disease caused by bacteria is tetanus. All other three diseases are caused by viruses. Number 20. Poisons produced by bacteria are known as toxins. All the following are the examples of consumers except green plants. Green plants are known as producers. A cactus is an example of xerophyte. A food that may be contaminated by mercury is fish. Fish may be containing mercury. A fibrous type of root is present in grasses. This is the characteristic feature of monocots. Organisms that live in a relationship that benefits both of them illustrate mutualism. The simplest method of reproduction is fission, which is mostly found in unicellular organisms and in bacteria. All of the following are fruits except carrot. Carrot is a modified root. The exchange of genes between homologous chromosomes is called crossing over. When Mendel crossed hybrids, he derived law of incomplete dominance. All of the following are archegoniate plants except Stygiochilomum. This is the type of algae which do not possess archegonia. A fossil plant, Rhinia, is named after its locality. Rhinia is a name of a village where first time a fossil of that plant was found, which belongs to Psilopsida. A rhizosphere in Seleginilla is a part of the answer key shows it is a part of stem, but by reviewing literature, it is neither root or nor it is stem. So that's why it is known as organ sui generis. Sclerenchyma is meant for mechanical support. Ectocarpus, a brown alga, is found in marine water. Mostly brown algae members are marine. Agar agar is obtained from the cell wall of red algae. A seed is a mature ovule. Energy from fossil fuel is non-renewable. Smog is a case of air pollution. Glycolysis starts and ends in the cytoplasm. The pathway of aerobic respiration is completed in the mitochondria. Electron transport system involves all of these. The mode in which sepals are arranged in a flower bud is known as estivation. A mango is an example of drupe. A fleshy, many-seeded fruit developing from an inferior one-celled or three-celled syncarpous pistil with parietal placentation is known as pepo. This is the characteristic feature of Cucurbitaceae family. Plant growth depends on all of these. It depends on cell division, hormones, as well as on cell enlargement. Solar radiation drives the distribution of weather systems, so influences the distribution of ecosystems except those at hydrothermal vents. Pollutants disrupt the ecosystem because there is no evolved mechanism to deal with them. Which of the following is not formed during glycolysis? FADH2. Placentation in P is marginal. Last one, a racemose inflorescence with elongated axis with sessile flowers and overlapping spathes is known as spadix. This is type of inflorescence. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to my channel Wiki Naturalist, and I have recorded another tutorial regarding SPSC Botany past paper. So I am providing the link in the description, and that paper was held in 2021. Thank you.